We can export the carpets into IFC. We can find the settings on the BumpTech tab under IFC. We can set a transformation here, a rotation and an offset, to translate between the two coordinate systems of the AutoCAD and the IFC. We can set additional settings under BumpTech geometry, which will be also displayed in the IFC file. For example, the band width or band thickness. The 9mm is intentional. All these settings will be taken into consideration while generating the IFC file. So we can generate simply by clicking the following command. And if we have BIM vision on the machine, it will open automatically. We can see here the reinforcement and the 4 carpets. We can switch on and off as we wish. We can see that the band we have set is disproportionately thick. We did it for visibility reasons. If we wish, we can go back to the settings and alter the band thickness to 1mm and regenerate. In the settings there is only an XY translation. The Z coordinate will be derived from the slab height and the slab thickness. Here we can see that now our band is significantly less thick.